How to fix iPhone email not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then go ahead and connect to a proper working internet connection, or you can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. See if your issue is fixed or not by opening the Mail app, and if not, then you can also go ahead and restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the Apps option and then tap on the Mail option. Further, tap on Mail Accounts option you see there, and with this, you will see all the accounts connected to your mail. So tap on the account that you are facing issue with, and then tap on the Delete Account option there, and when prompted, confirm the deletion. Further, tap on the Add Account option you see there and then sign in again with the same email account, and with this, your account will get a fresh refresh and all mail settings and often clears hidden sync errors. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open Settings again and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone further. And lastly, in General again, tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option you see there, and then tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. You will be required to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and confirm, and with this, your Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN settings will be reset. Do not worry, as this will not delete any of your data. Now, go ahead and reconnect to Wi-Fi again and then open the Mail app again. And with this, your issue should have been fixed by now. And if your mail still does not load, check your provider's website like gmail.com or outlook.com to make sure the problem is not with the email server itself. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone email not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.